Hey everyone, is your vehicle stuck in limp mode? Are you having trouble shifting gears and the check engine light is on? If your scan tool pulled code P0857, traction control input signal low, then this means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is receiving a weak or insufficient signal from the traction control system. This can cause delayed acceleration, loss of traction control, or even transmission shifting problems. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0857 means, the symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where the key sensors are located so you can fix it fast. Let's get started. What is P0857? The P0857 trouble code is triggered when the PCM detects a low voltage or weak signal from the traction control system. The traction control system helps prevent wheel slip, and if the PCM gets incorrect data, it might disable traction control, affect transmission shifting, or even reduce engine power. Common symptoms of P0857, traction control, light on check engine light, CL, or ABS, warning light vehicle goes into limp mode, reduced power, sluggish acceleration or delayed throttle response, transmission shifting problems. Now let's talk about the sensor location so you can diagnose and fix this issue properly. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0857, you need to check these key components. Traction control switch. Location. On the dashboard, center console, or steering column. Function. Allows the driver to manually turn traction control on or off. Brake pedal position sensor, BPPS. Location. Near the brake pedal assembly. Function. Sends signals to the PCM when the brakes are applied, affecting traction control. Wheel speed sensors, WSS. Location. Mounted on each wheel hub, near brake rotors. Function. Measures wheel speed and sends data to the ABS and traction control system. ABS control module, traction control module. Location, near the brake master cylinder or in the engine bay. Function, controls ABS and traction functions by processing wheel speed data. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, engine bay, near the fuse box or firewall. Function, receives signals from traction components and adjusts throttle and braking response. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the traction control switch, wheel speed sensors, and the PCM. Function, transfers electrical signals to manage wheel slip. Common causes of P0857, faulty traction control switch. A malfunctioning switch can send incorrect signals to the PCM. Weak or failing battery. Low system voltage can cause signal issues in the traction control circuit. Damaged or loose wiring, corroded or disconnected wires between the traction control system and PCM. Defective brake pedal position sensor. Incorrect brake input signals can affect traction control. Bad wheel speed sensors. A failing wheel sensor can disrupt traction control functions. Faulty ABS control module. The traction system relies on ABS, and a bad module can trigger this code. How to fix P0857? Step 1. Check the battery voltage. If the battery is weak, charge or replace it. Step 2. Inspect the traction control switch. Press it and see if the traction light responds. If not, test the switch with a multimeter. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, loose, or corroded wires near the switch and PCM. Step 4. Test the brake pedal position sensor. Ensure it's sending the correct signals when braking. Step 5. Check wheel speed sensors. Use a scan tool to read live data and see if all 4 sensors are working properly. Step 6. Inspect the ABS module. A faulty ABS module can disable traction control. Scan for ABS-related codes. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the system and test drive to see if the problem is resolved. The P0857 trouble code is related to low traction control signals, which can affect engine power and transmission shifting. But with a simple sensor check, wiring inspection, and battery check, you can fix it before it causes bigger issues. Watch these related videos next. P0580 cruise control, multi-function input. A circuit high P0581 cruise control multi-function input. A circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.